We live in 40 miles south of Houston. From tomorrow, we will start to have cold weather. It will last probably for 3 days, and the lowest temperature it's around 19 to 20 Fahrenheit. So we got a lot of mulch, and we will cover some of our fruit trees. This is what our vegetables and the fruit trees look like before the cold weather. I probably will take another video and show you guys what they will look like after the cold weather. Here we have some radish, pepper, flowers, and this kind of, it's called greens. And this kind of special Asian vegetable. Here has ginger. It has pepper. Here underneath this power pouch, there is Carolina Reaper, hottest pepper in the world. It's Chinese leek. It's a wild leek. Just show you guys how they look like before the cold storm, cold weather, whatever. Here we have a grape fruit tree. It has a passion fruit. This probably will not survive. The top part, the root, we buried in pretty tall mulch in the hope they will survive. Here is our fruit, what we call fruit forest. Anyway, it has all kinds of trees. We put a lot of mulch here. We cut the top of this avocado tree. So tomorrow we are going to cover them. Tomorrow early morning before the cold front arrives. Some of the trees probably they can withstand the cold weather. Some of them may not. The pear behind the tree over there, there's a pretty big pear tree that probably is good for the cold weather. This is the peach tree. Here has a orange tree. You see a lot of mulch here. We might cover these two trees with some kind of cover, maybe that big trash can. This probably is okay for the cold weather. These 2 peach trees should be fine. Here has some vegetables. Cilantro. Okinawa spinach. Radish. Ginger. Three days later, probably they will look much more different. We covered some of our trees and vegetables. This is a big trash can. This is our fruit tree forest. You can see we covered them with a huge cover. Hope they are all fine. Some of the trees, they can tolerate cold weather, so we did not cover them. Today is December 28th, 2002. We took off the covers and let's see what's the status of our trees and the vegetables. This tree looks not bad. That one we did not cover, and it should be fine. And our vegetables, flowers, now it's like this. Here looks really bad. There are eggplants over there. Looks pretty bad. Cilantro is not too bad. This is, I think it's Okinawa spinach. This one looks really bad. We did not cover this tree. This is orange tree. It seems it's okay. Here are two peach trees. We did not cover. Suppose they should be okay. We covered this grapefruit tree with trash can, big trash can. It's not too bad. This is orange tree. It's okay. This tree seems it's okay, but the passion fruit, the vines and the leaves are really bad. Hope the roots are fine. This is our fruit tree forest. That's the star fruit tree over there. This avocado. It seems the bottom is fine. This is loquat. This seems pretty good.